You spend 20 hours planning, filming, and editing a video. You write the perfect script. You spend hours making sure the audio sounds great. You design a picture that you know people will want to click. You finally hit publish. For the first hour, you refresh the page. Nothing happens. 2 hours pass. The views are stuck. Nobody is clicking. The line on your graph goes totally flat. You sit there in your chair, feeling tired, and you think to yourself, my videos just aren't good enough. I am doing something wrong. But what if your video is actually great? What if your picture is perfect? What if YouTube's own computer brain is actually hiding your videos before real people even have a chance to see them? Right now, inside your YouTube studio, there are hidden settings turned on. YouTube made these settings because they thought they would help you save time and get more views. But in the real world, they're doing the exact opposite. They are destroying your clicks, ruining your search results, and tricking YouTube into thinking your video is boring. And the craziest part, the most dangerous setting we are going to talk about today is turned on for every single channel automatically. If you don't go in and turn it off, you are forcing YouTube to bury your next video. Let's open your settings and fix your channel right now. Let's start with the tool YouTube promises will make you famous all over the world. A few months ago, YouTube turned on a feature called automatic dubbing for almost everyone. The idea sounds amazing. A computer listens to your video, translates your voice into Spanish or Japanese, and then shows your video to people in those countries. You suddenly get millions of new fans without doing any extra work, right? Wrong. Here is what actually happens behind the scenes. YouTube starts pushing your newly translated video to people in other countries, but those people have no idea who you are. They look at your thumbnail, they see English words written on it, and they just scroll right past it. They do not click. Your clicks drop to almost zero. And here is the big problem. YouTube's computer system is not a human. It does not know why people aren't clicking. It does not stop and think, oh, they didn't click because they don't speak English. It only sees numbers. It sees that thousands of people looked at your video and nobody clicked on it. So YouTube thinks your video is boring. To protect the viewers, YouTube completely stopped showing your video. It stopped showing it to people in other countries, but worse, it stopped showing it to your real fans back home. A setting that was meant to give you more views is actually making you completely invisible. Go to your settings right now. Click on Upload Defaults. Click on Advanced Settings. Look for the box that says Automatic Dubbing and turn it off. Get your clicks back. Keep your video in your home country until your channel is big enough to truly go global. But hurting your clicks is only the first trap. What if YouTube is actually lying to Google search about what your video is even about? If you want to grow a big channel, you need views that keep coming in while you sleep. These are called evergreen views. You get these when people type a question into Google search and your video pops up as the answer. These views will grow your channel for years and years. But YouTube has a setting that is blocking you from getting these search views. It is called automatic chapters. When you leave this turned on, YouTube tries to chop your video into different parts for you. It sounds helpful. It saves you 5 minutes of typing. But look closely at how the computer actually names these parts. It uses boring, useless words. It will call a section discussion or more information or part 2. And here's the secret most creators do not know. Google search uses your YouTube chapters to find answers for people. If someone goes to Google and searches for how to make a good YouTube video, and you type that exact phrase as your chapter name, Google will put your video at the very top of the page. You will get thousands of free views because you gave the search engine exactly what it was looking for. But if your chapter is named discussion, you get nothing. Nobody in the world goes to Google and searches for the word discussion. By letting a robot save you 5 minutes of typing, you are throwing away months of free views. Turn it off. Do not let the computer guess what your video is about. Type your chapters yourself. Think about the questions your viewers are asking and use those exact words to name the parts of your video. Fixing those 2 settings will save your channel from leaking views. But this last setting? This is the invisible killer. This is the exact reason your last video had a great picture, a great title, and a great idea, but still completely failed. And the worst part is, you did it to yourself. When you post a video, YouTube does a test. It takes your video and shows it to a small group of your biggest fans first. It watches them very closely. It checks to see if they click on it, and it checks to see how many minutes they watch. This is the most important test your video will ever take. The grade you get on this test decides if YouTube will share your video with the rest of the world, or if it will hide it forever. If your fans love it, YouTube pushes it everywhere. If your fans ignore it, YouTube kills the video. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom of your video upload page, you will see a little box. It says Publish to Subscriptions Feed and Notify Subscribers. This box has a check mark in it on every single video. Let's say you have a channel where you normally play a video game, like Minecraft. Your fans love Minecraft. But today, you decide to make a video teaching people how to build a computer. You leave the box checked, you hit Publish. Your video goes straight to your Minecraft fans. They see it on their screen, but they are here to watch games, not to build computers. So they just scroll past it. They do not click. Your own fans just gave your video a terrible score in the most important test. YouTube looks at that terrible score and says, wow, even this creator's biggest fans hate this video. We definitely should not show it to strangers. The video guy's right there. It is not that the video was bad. The video might have been the best computer building video ever made. The problem is that you forced YouTube to show it to the wrong people first. When you uncheck that box, you skip the trap. You tell YouTube, do not show this to my old fans. Go out and find the perfect new audience for this specific video. It gives your video a clean, fair start. These 3 settings are hidden traps that are holding you back. Auto-dubbing hurts your clicks. Auto chapters steal your search views. And notifying your subscribers at the wrong time forces your videos to fail their first big test. Turn them off. Stop letting YouTube's computer guess what is best for you. Take control of your channel and you finally give your videos a fair chance to win. But here is the hard truth about YouTube. Having perfect settings will never fix a boring video. Taking the chains off your channel only helps if you actually know what works. If you want to learn more about YouTube, click this video.